Today we'll talk about how can you disable advanced login on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. So then you come here to advanced login here. Then you just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here advanced login. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.